January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And on the months go. Some people believe that time is a circle. The Ace of Spades is particularly interesting because it is known as the death card. It is the harbinger of death, but also the bringer of rebirth. It reminds me of the words of T.S. Eliot, the famous poet, who wrote, "What we call the beginning is often the end, and to make an end is to make a beginning. We shall not cease from exploration, and at the end of all our exploring will be to arrive where we started, and know the place for the first time." Remember this moment. The deck is spread here on the table in front of the Ace of Spades and the cards. The 4 kings are face up in the middle. Perhaps time really is a circle. We'll represent this idea with the 4 kings, and particularly the King of Spades will be the leader of the kings, and as a leader we'll place it in the leader position here, and the rest down here. Now, the rest of the deck we don't need. With these 12 cards, we go very slowly, meticulously. The first 3 go to the first king. The next 3 go to the next king, and so on. The last one for the leader. No fast movements. The first king represents innocence, the King of Hearts. The second king represents vitality, the King of Spades. And the last king represents wisdom, the King of Diamonds. First in life goes the soul of innocence, and the body follows into adulthood. Next goes the soul of vitality, and the body follows into old age. Finally goes the soul of life itself, and the body follows into death. But some say that just like life, death is full of surprises. I come back to the words of the poet T.S. Eliot, who wrote, "We shall not cease from exploration, and at the end of all our exploring will be to arrive where we started and know the place for the very first time. What we call the beginning is often the end, and to make an end is to make a beginning."